Hi friends, based on market capitalization, SEBI classified equity mutual funds into 5 types. Present video is about large and mid cap equity mutual funds. On market capitalization topic, I made a separate video. Link is available in the description box. According to market capitalization, SEBI classified public limited companies into 3 categories: large cap category, mid cap category, small cap category. First 100 companies with the highest market capitalization come under large cap category. These companies are well established, reputed and had been in the market for a long period. They are the branded companies and most of the Indians use their products daily. These companies are generally the leaders in their field of business. The shares which are sold by these companies are known as blue chip stocks. Second one, mid cap category. Mid cap companies are those which are ranked between 101 to 250 in the list of companies according to market capitalization. Third one is small cap category. These are young and smaller sized companies. 251 and above placed companies based on market capitalization come under this category. Now come to our present topic. Large cap and mid cap equity mutual fund is a new scheme of equity mutual fund after the circular released by SEBI on 6th October 2017. When investor invests in these schemes, then the fund manager of AMC must invest minimum 35% of this corpus in large cap company stocks and other 35% of this corpus must be invested in mid cap company stocks. So 35 plus 35, 70%. Then the remaining 30% of the corpus fund manager may invest according to his wish, maybe in large cap stocks or mid cap stocks. Thus, these funds bring together India's biggest companies and mid-sized companies. In large cap equity mutual funds, you have an advantage, that is, these funds are less risky. And in mid cap mutual funds, there is an advantage of getting more and more returns. Now, this is the combination of these two benefits. Investor can expect better results by taking moderate risk. Before 2017 also, investors used to design their portfolios with large cap stocks and mid cap stocks, and they used to switch between these stocks. Means when market conditions are not favorable, they used to withdraw their investment from mid cap and they used to invest in large cap. And when there is a chance for growth, they used to switch from large cap to mid cap. But if investor invest in this scheme, then maintaining 35% of investment in mid cap stocks is mandatory. Therefore, investor is not having the freedom to switch between the stocks. These funds are less risky than mid cap and small cap funds. So, comparing to pure mid cap fund, pure small cap fund, large cap and mid cap equity mutual funds are safe. But when you compare with large cap funds, these are risky because compulsory 35% of the corpus should be maintained in mid cap company stocks. And you know the nature of this category. These are more volatile and exposed to risk. Thus, when investor can understand the risk involved in these funds, then he can opt for it. Therefore, these funds are not suitable for new investors. If you want to invest, then you have to invest for at least 5 years in these funds. If you are panic and abandon your investments during bad phase in the market, you will lose an opportunity of creating wealth. So remember, if you are ready to invest for a long period, at least for 5 years, and if you are ready to face moderate losses, then these funds are recommended for you. Hope this video is informative. Thank you.